dated 15th November 2024, requesting for identification particulars of ID card number 392 21353, Your Honor. And I wish that be marked as an exhibit before this honorable court, Your Honor. Your Honor, come 21st November 2024, we gave a response to the same. And in that response, we indicated that the ID card number 392 21353 was issued to and belongs to one David Mokaya. And Your Honor, we have attached herein an extract of the register for the said person. Your Honor,
is this the request letter that you got from the DCI?
Yes, it's the request letter. Yes, it's the request letter.
Okay. Then I'd like to mark the letter from the DCI to the National Registration Bureau, dated 15th November 2024, as PMFI 5. And I'd also like to produce the letter from the NRB, dated 21st November 2024. 21st November 2024, addressed to the DCI as Exhibit 6A. And the extract of the register that has been attached to the letter, which is the identification report. I'd like to produce it as Exhibit 6B. By any chance, do you know the holder of this ID number?
No.
You do not. Is that all?
That's all.
Yeah, that is all.
I believe the questions will be quite limited.
Good morning.
Good morning, Counsel.
What is the due legal process for the NRB to provide personal information to any other government agency?
The due process is we received formal requests from the investigative arm, which has to be processed through our registry. Then we give a response, a duly response according to that request.
What is the threshold as far as that request being honored or denied? For you to comply with the government body's request for personal information to be provided, what is the standard or threshold for you to comply with that particular request?
So long as the DCI has put a request to us, we are obliged to respond unless there's a caveat.
Are you aware under the Act of where you work, there's guidelines and procedures on how such information should be provided?
I worked under those guidelines. I know there are guidelines, yes.
Therefore, you should be aware of what is required by another government agency to access personal information of a private citizen. Is that true?
Yes.
Did you measure that request letter against those guidelines as provided under law?
I measured because definitely the DCI.
I've asked you, did you measure? those
measured.
guidelines.
Yes.
You measured.
Yes.
Kindly make reference to that letter from the DCI. Can you read aloud what the contents are as far as this request letter is concerned?
The ID card request for information, ID card number 39221353. The above identification card as featured in a matter under investigation by this office. To enable us finalize our investigations, kindly furnish us with the following: 1. Full particulars of the owner. 2. Fingerprint outs. And 3. Any other relevant information.
They have just stated there is an investigation.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Sure.
Did they rewrite the underlying issue, the probable cause for private citizens' information to be given to them?
They didn't categorically state the underlying issues.
Now, I make reference to the act of which you act under. Does that comply with the procedure as far as disclosure of information of a private citizen in Kenya?
We are obligated to give information to the investigative arm of the government touching on a particular citizen within the jurisdiction of Kenya.
But there is a standard on what is supposed to be indicated. And I've asked you a very simple question. Has there been an underlying reason or probable cause on why you should breach that oath under NRB to provide that data to another government agency?
Your Honor, to my understanding,
Your Honor, that is all for this witness.
Yes, anything?
We have no questions.
Any examination?
No questions, Your Honor, in exam.
So thank you, Mr. Gabriel.
Thank you.
Thank
you,
you
Your
as
Honor.
always for finding time
Thank you, Your Honor.
and your input. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your very kind permission. Excuse me for interrupting you in the middle of a hearing. There is a matter that we are placed aside waiting for the High Court.
Yes.
Perhaps we could call it out so that we check our process elections.
He is not here.
It tells me that he has had a conversation with my married sister.
I think that you should make request to
212.
you should make request to them, eh? If they indulge you, I'm also have no problem.
Number.
We have no problem.
Okay.
If they have another witness, counsel can be there.
Abdi Yusuf, as the other witness makes his way or her way.
Yes, you know that is the E212 of 2025. You know, I've been informed that the IO who is handling the matter, that is this is Stephen Kibei, is attending promotional course, and he has handed over the file to PC Cyrus Misati. You know, the PC Misati has informed me that he has not been able to bond witnesses. He was just handed over the file recently, and he's been praised for the indulgence of the parties and for adjournment to avail the witnesses. For those reasons, we pray for an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor, I have no objection. So to seek the directions of the court that there was a form that was supposed to be handed over to the accused. I don't know whether the form is included because this is information I got from the person who was previously handling the matter. He told me that there was an agreement that
I have no objection to the application for adjournment. So to request that we can be favored with the nearest hearing date possible. We want us to the request that the phone be released to the accused person on the basis that there was an agreement to that effect. I am a stranger to that position. So that perhaps we would have the IO indicates whether they are done with the investigations. Then we can know whether it will be prudent to release the phone at that point.
Yes, anyway.
I'm also a stranger to that. Whenever it had been tabled before the court.
We're waiting for the IO.
The information I have in the file is that this was, I think the information was given by the IO on 24th of June 2025. I wasn't involved in the matter, but he informed that he indicated that he's done with the investigation and was willing to release the form. I don't know whether that is on record.
We had urged the IO to attend court, but on the 24th, he never showed up. Yeah, he came on the 7th, on the 2nd of July. He came on the 2nd of July, where we had stated for a mention, so that we can make that application, but he wasn't present. So he only came today. So we had slated for a mention on the 2nd of July, so that the IO could be present.
Yes.
And he can make that application, but he never showed up.
So we have a date.
13th November.
That's okay.
I don't know whether 12 is available.
12 to be equally convenient.
12th of November.
20th November.
20th?
November.
20th is convenient. You want just to confirm that it's a hearing?
Yes, it's a hearing.
Very well,
Yes, it's a hearing.
Your review of time commission.
Yes.
The file that you criticized for I see you have several hearings. I'm suggesting
Yes.
the council also agrees that we file submissions of the application. If you could give a direction for the entire submissions maybe in the next 7 days. We need to council to file us, we take a mention from our filing submissions.
Yeah, that's yes, Mr. Chair.
We will concur with the request. The 6-7 days of service.
I'm requesting that the interim orders be extended.
Yes, Yona. Yes, Yona, on our part, we just give the citation of the revision application. We will not be responding to the application by the second respondent. Yona, the DPP has filed a revision that is E12 of 2025. E12 of 2025. You know, those are my instructions. You can read it.
Are you at sort for 7 days?
Yes.
The application can be canvassed through submissions. So 7 days for both of you.
Yes.
What service of the
Okay, from the applicant.
applicant?
So we can have it in 14 days or thereabout.
Yes. Maybe about 22nd. 22nd.
Okay, so 22nd of September.
Date may not be extended.
So the orders are extended till then. So anyone else take advantage of this window to go home early? So we can proceed then. Okay, thank you.
Sorry, Joseph.
I swear in the name of the Almighty God that the evidence shall be before this court, in the matter in question, shall be truth, nothing but the truth alone. God.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm number 2514, Inspector Ezra Koech, attached to DCI Cybercrime Forensics, and currently seconded to Communication Authority at the National Computer and Incidents Response Team. I wish to state that I hold bachelor's degree in Information Technology from Kenya Methodist University, and I've also undertaken a course in digital forensic analysis, which was offered by the Office of Anti-Terrorism Assistance, based at US Embassy, Nairobi. On 15 November 2024, we received a request letter from Serious Crime Unit requesting for analysis of about 6 links from X, formerly Twitter, in a case of publication of false information contrary to Section 23 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act, number 5 of 2018, which they were investigating. So
Yes, Your Honor, I'd like to mark the letter from the DCI to Communications Authority of Kenya, which is dated 14th November.
14th.
Yes, 14th. 14th November 2024. As PMFI 7. Okay. Proceed.
Your Honor, I was able to analyze the provided links and generated a report of 9 pages. I also went ahead and did a certificate.
Before you get to the certificate, tell us about, in summary, tell us about your report.
Yeah, as I had said, I completed a report of 7 pages. For the respective links, and
which links?
The URL links for the Twitter account that they were investigating. In one of the links, I was able to retrieve a number, a mobile number, which is 0790 027 817, which is believed to be associated with the X account.
Now you have the links in order, yes?
Yes, yeah.
Now tell us, you say from link number this, you are able to derive this and this. So
Yes.
for that mobile number, where did you derive?
Okay. For the first link, it took me to the official page. That is the homepage of the account.
Which account?
The Twitter account, going by the handle at Copy landlord. That is the first link is the homepage where you have the biodata of that account.
Mhm.
The second link had a post of which read President William Ruto's body leave funeral homes and a picture attached, and a photo attached. Then
A photo of what?
of
Is it a photo of a person, a photo of...
a military, a guy is in the military gear, and yeah. So
What else is on that photo?
it has an object wrapped in a polythene paper, and in it it's like there's a flag, national flag. The next one is
Which is that on the third?
the third link.
Mm-hmm.
There is an image of a person who appears to be strangled, hanging from.
Now this image, just to clarify, is this an image of a person or is it animated? This image.
Okay, it is. Okay, it's
You can show the
kind of an image of a person. It's
That is not a person.
it's not a person as such, but
Your Honor, objection. Prosecution is guiding the witness. He's just admitted that that's a person. We want it to be rather stay on the record, and whatever the prosecution has stated be struck off the record.
Yeah, let him
Yeah,
answer.
yeah, no, I stand there.
yeah. So it's an object. Then besides it, there's people around there and it's indicated as Kenyan. Then the fourth link also has the same content the third link.
So what else is there on the fourth link?
It's the same pages. It's the same. Actually, it's the same content altogether. It appears to have been repeated. A link. Then the fifth one has photos of two people. One is a lady, and another one is a man. The sixth one is where we got the number, and there are some shoes. It appears like someone is doing marketing of selling shoe.
So what is the conclusion of your report? from what you are supposed to analyze?
Your Honor, from our end, we were able to provide the said clip, the said images, or rather the said pages of the URL, as requested by the investigating officer, together with the phone number. It had also been requested that we provide the number, anything, contacts related to that, associated with that X account.
So from that, do you know who the X account belongs to?
No, you are.
Okay, when is your report dated?
18th November 2024.
15.
18.
18.
Yes. Do you have a certificate of production for that report?
Yes, you are.
Where is it? Okay. When is the certificate dated?
18th November 2024.
Now, are you the one who signed this report?
Yes, you are.
Then I'd like to produce the cyber investigation report from the Communications Authority of Kenya, which is dated 18th of November 2024, as a prosecution exhibit 8. I'd also like to produce the certificate of production of that report under Section 65 and 106B of the Evidence Act as Exhibit 9. Now, do you know the accused person who is before court?
No, Your Honor.
Is that all?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, that is all for this witness.
Good morning.
To you.
You have stated that you're currently a police officer seconded to the Communications Authority. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
In the process of conducting your investigations, as far as the report is concerned, did you write any MLAT to X-Corp inquiring on the ownership of the X account you're investigating?
No, Your Honor.
According to this report that you have tendered before this, or rather you have tendered this morning, does this report conclude that the X account belongs to the accused person?
No, Your Honor.
According to the report that you have stated, I can see that you have annexed various status, including this image.
Yes, Your Honor.
That is being cited as false publication.
Yes, Your Honor.
According to your testimony, could you confirm the legitimacy of whether this image was produced via, let's say, AI, or it is actually an authentic image?
I would not verify the legitimacy of this image.
You could not verify?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the same report, you did further annexures of this figure, of which you stated it was an object.
Yes, Your Honor.
Was that part of the scope that you was directed by the DCI for you to investigate?
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you go to the letter directed by the DCI for you to undertake this investigation? In the said letter, have all of those links been provided?
Yes,
there?
sir. All the links are provided, Your Honor.
I want you to compare whether those other links were actually cited in the charge sheet. Would you confirm if they were listed in the charge sheet?
Your Honor, I didn't get access to the charge sheet, so the letter was only reference point.
Could you show him the charge sheet, please? Do you see any of those links listed there?
No, Your Honor.
According to your report, you have stated that phone number 07-900-27817 is believed to be associated with the X account was traced as shown on the last screenshot. Do you see that statement on your report?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have also stated that you extracted that number from a screenshot which has been placed there.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, for you, professionally, according to your report, you believe that any post that the accused person did and had a mobile phone number belonged to him. Is that right?
My statement is very clear. It's believed to be associated with that account because it appeared to be one of the.
That's okay.
Yes.
You believe that it is associated.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, Your Honor.
But your deduction based on that belief is because of a post that the accused person did. Is that true?
Your Honor, the scope was to provide with whatever it's in that.
Listen to my question.
I also want to finish it.
No, it's a yes or no. It's not because I'm going to ask you to explain yourself much further. Is that true?
Come again.
According to your reports, you believe that number is associated to him because it was a post he had made on the X account.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you obtain any documentary evidence from EXCO or Communications Authority showing that that number belongs to the said person?
No, Your Honor.
Lastly, I'll take you to your certificate.
Yes, Your Honor.
According to your certificate, are you the one who extracted those screenshots?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there an annexure authenticating how those screenshots were obtained?
No, Your Honor.
That is all, Your Honor.
You introduced yourself as a DCI officer.
Yes, Your Honor.
You still retain the police powers.
Yes, Your Honor.
you are state deployed to which entity?
National Computer Incident Response, which is based at Communication Authority of Kenya.
At the Communication Authority of Kenya.
Yes, Your Honor.
You are deployed there.
On this office that I've stated.
Yeah, in that office.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you are the expert from the Communication Authorities of Kenya today. Your evidence is the evidence not of the DCI, but the evidence of the Communication Authority of Kenya?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, that's what I want to ask for. The Communication Authority of Kenya, does it have the capacity to verify Twitter accounts?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where is the registration of Twitter accounts?
The registrations are under the custody of the X account owners. Yeah, so it is the product and DCI will only request for data if rather CA will only request for data from the said company. So they don't have an outright ownership of the.
Do we agree that the particulars of opening a Twitter account and the documentation is not domiciled anywhere in this republic?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you get those details from that time it was Twitter or Facebook or X? Did you seek for them to give you the ownership of that account?
No, Your Honor.
You were given instructions to identify certain links.
Yes, Your Honor.
And those links, all of them were in X.
Yes, Your
That
Honor.
time it was Twitter or X.
X.
X had come into play.
Yes, Your Honor.
And we've agreed that because you did not seek who is the registered owner, that's why your report, you say, it is not what? What is your final one? Your report?
I indicated that there is a number associated with this account.
What are you saying that is not conclusive?
That the account is not linked to the suspect.
From that report, will I be right to say it exonerates this young man?
From where I sit, I'm sure there are some other facts that the investigation.
From that report, you said it does not pinpoint this accused person.
The report covers a lot of areas. One, it paints the picture of what transpired, what made the investigating officer to investigate that matter. So I'll leave that at.
My brother, read what you say in relationship to this person. Just read it. It is you who has read it. Just read it.
I'll still say the report serves a number of reasons.
Politely. You know me and the DC officers, we are friends. Just read for me what you have said for this young man.
But the number I provided is associated with this account.
Now we are coming to the numbers. How many links did you assess?
6 links.
Link 1 is which one? Describe it.
It is the home page of that Twitter account.
Did you extract a phone number from there?
No, Your Honor.
There's no number there.
No number.
Link 2?
No number, Your Honor.
Let's go slow.
Yes, you are there.
There is no number.
No number.
Link 3?
No number.
Let us stop. Why are there no numbers?
It is the actual pages of, I can say, interests, maybe.
Are those things, in a layman's language, posts? Are they things that somebody has posted on the X account?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the first 3 have no numbers.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that the proper position of CAK, that it cannot be able to extract a number?
There is a procedure for that. The investigating officer had to produce a court order so that we serve X for them to give us the details. So it's not that the CA would not do it, but the court order was required to request for the data.
There was no court order
to serve
X.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which of the posts did you extract the number from?
The 6th one. Yeah, that's the 6th one.
Describe what it is from what you're seeing.
Okay, the page has got some photos of shoes, and it appeared like he was selling them online, and that's why he attached the number.
The photo that has a number. It has what and what?
Photos of, you can say, shoes.
Shoes?
Yes.
Viat?
Yes, sure.
Look at the photo. That is the only one that you picked the number from.
Yes, sir.
Look at the photo or the post of a dead or something like a dead ceremony.
Yes.
It is there.
There's no number one.
No. You have it?
I have it.
Have it and have the charge sheet. You have the charge sheet there?
Yes, sir.
Read the charge sheet. Facing this young man.
You can read the particulars of the offences.
What offense is he being charged?
False publication.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You are an officer, you read complete.
False publication contrary to section 2, section 22 into bracket 1 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act number 5 of 2018.
He's charged for doing what? Publication
of false.
That is false.
Yes,
True.
Yes, sir.
The particulars will provide what was that false publication. Read it.
On the 13th November 2024, at a known place within the Republic of Kenya, intentionally published false data being an image of a funeral procession with a casket covered with a Kenyan flag, escorted by military officers in ceremonial uniform, which captioned President William Ruto, body leaves leave funeral home, over a computer system X using account, landlord at Post Gabi, with intent that the data shall be considered as authentic.
The particulars are very clear.
Yes. True.
That is the publication that the DCI sent you. That is the link.
Yes,
the
yes.
Subject matter. Why this young man is here is because of that.
Yes, Your Honor.
And it is your evidence conclusively that you did not pick any telephone number from that.
From the links, I've said there is a number.
Specific that one.
Which specifications you want?
That one of the funeral publication.
Oh yeah. For that link specifically, no. But if I may put it.
Just hold on.
All right.
I'm specific to the link that has brought this young man here.
Yes.
Instead of him at the university.
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not extract a telephone number from that link.
Yes, Your Honor.
Look at that charge sheet. Has he been charged with any other of the 6, the other 5 that you produced?
Yeah, no, I would not want to go deeper.
I've only asked you a simple question. Does that charge sheet have any other count other than that one?
No.
Thank you. You are a trained police officer.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have confirmed that you are trained and you handle guns. You handle that gun.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you normally get issued a specific gun.
Come again?
At the Omari, you are given a specific gun.
Yes, Your Honor.
And that gun, if it kills somebody, it is linked to who was issued. True.
No, I cannot go into that area because
I went to
there are very, very many reasons as to why you can link a shooting to a person and a gadget. So I don't want to go that direction.
You are the communication authority, boss.
Yes, go straight to the point.
I'm asking you. Publication was done by what?
It was done on X using an account, a Twitter handle account, X. It's named as Landlord, Twitter handle, Boss Copy.
And the only link between X, and that publication and this young man is his registered number.
Yes, you are.
And it was not found.
I've provided a number.